Bangabandhu and the language movement. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was one of the few student leaders who played a significant role in turning the language movement into a mass movement. As a student leader, he was the central figure in organizing mass gatherings, rallies, and strikes for rising and awareness against the discriminatory language policy of Pakistan. The language movement started when the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu and only Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan on 19 March 1948 at the Racecourse Maidan while addressing a public gathering. He uttered the psalm on 24 March 1948 at the University of Dhaka during his convocation speech. The student instantly protested against